25 दिन में पैसा डबल।
25 दिन में पैसा डबल?
Money, money, and money. So, guys, today we would like to talk about digital marketing and why we feel digital marketing is nothing less than honey. So, stay tuned till the end so that you get to know about all the crazy facts about digital marketing. Hello, everyone. My name is Ankit, and I'll be your host today from Sketchomedia. So, have you ever wondered what marketing could do for you? Is it a waste of money for you so far, or are you just fed up of putting in time and efforts in marketing your brand on digital platforms? We have all been there, isn't it? So, this episode takes you towards the benefits of digital marketing in usual. If you're here to specifically know why marketing is important for your business, then I would recommend go to the next chapter. Marketing is not just everybody's cup of tea. However, digital marketing can actually help your brand with the visibility crisis that you're facing. Just like honey, digital marketing also has many benefits that the brands misses out on while analyzing the importance of digital marketing. Let us check out some of the crazy facts about digital marketing. Did you know 80% of the consumer internet traffic is expected to be video by 2021? We are consuming a lot of data in form of video every day. Let it be YouTube, videos on Facebook or Instagram, and even platforms like Twitter or LinkedIn. It is believed that the total number of hours of videos viewed on YouTube every month is more than 3.25 billion hours. Isn't that a big number? Moving forward, did you know the average consumer attention span? It is just about 8 seconds. And you know the fun fact? The attention span of a goldfish is about 9 seconds, more than us humans. Over a while, people are just losing interest very fast. All you get is just about 8 seconds to either win or lose a customer. Next on our list is the video content over the written content. Viewers these days would actually prefer video content 4 times more than the reading content. No doubt, we are no more avid readers. Consumers tend to get engaged over a video more than a written content. And that's why the video content makes much more impact for your viewers over any blog or any article that you're publishing. So now we know where we have to focus. Now let's move forward with some of the crazy facts about the internet. 10 seconds. 10 seconds is what it takes for a user to decide if they're gonna stay on your web page or not. 3 seconds. 40% of the users will leave if your website loading time is more than 3 seconds. And that too, make sure your mobile website is fast enough. 5 minutes. The approximate attention span of a person. That means a person will start losing interest or his attention on the detailing after about 5 minutes. Now you know what the maximum time that you have in order to make a video. 30 seconds is the considered length of an elevator pitch. Interested in pitching your business to the prospect VC for funding? Make your pitch convincible in 30 seconds. 90 seconds, the maximum time you get to attract your viewer using an advertisement. More than 90 seconds of an ad and you have already lost the purpose. 30 seconds, the average length of a television ad. And the last but not the least, we don't read left to right. Did you know, as per a study by neuroscientists, we don't actually read anything from left to right. Instead, our brain forms shortcuts to deal with it. Scanning, searching for words, scrolling up or down quickly, and making a meaning out of any text. It is just non-linear reading. You're just reading it. You're not even thinking that you're going from left to right or right to left. Amazed on knowing these facts? Well, you should be. These are some of the reasons why digital marketing is important. Now, in the next chapter, we'll be moving ahead with knowing why digital marketing is important for your business. So, we have learned that digital marketing creates an impact, it is important, it is the life today, what it can do for your business. Don't forget to check out in the next chapter. Also, please let me know your views about today's video. Your feedback actually helps us to improve. And don't forget to like and subscribe.